Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot dito sa Batangas or Cavite area na merong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, and may 2-car garage pa na kasama? And pwedeng-pwede po ito sa Pag-ibig Financing. If yes, mabilis ang house tour with Broker Nick dito sa ating Linea Model. Linea Model has a minimum lot size of 100 square meters and a floor area of 77 square meters. Meron tong provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, and meron kang 2-car garage. So going to the exterior, makikita nyo po, this is a single attached unit, meaning meron po siyang firewall. Exterior, makikita nyo, wala na po tayong ipapaayos, malalaki ang windows, and meron pa mga deco stones. And this will be your 2-car garage. So, apology lang, marami lang grass, pero kasyang-kasya po dito ang dalawang sasakyan or even dalawang SUV. Ang interior deliverables po ni Linea ay bare. So, meaning wala pong floor tiles, wala pong wall paint, wala pong partition sa taas, at wala rin pong ceiling. Pero the good thing is, matusunod nyo po kung ano po ang gusto nyong interior design sa inyong property. Then, as I've said, meron po itong 2 toilet and bath. So, ito po ang first CR. This will be your provision for your kitchen. Ayan. Then, meron pa po tayong 2-meter setback sa likod that will serve as your service area. Ayan po. Actual deliverables po ang dinidiscuss natin dito. So, kung ano ang nakikita nyo, yun po ang makukuha nyo upon purchasing this property. As I've said, wala pong partition and wala rin ceiling. Ayan. Pero using your imagination, this is sufficient enough for 3 bedroom na rooms. Okay, ayan. So, pwedeng-pwede po ito sa Pag-ibig Financing and napaka-affordable. So, if you'd like to know more, kindly contact me dun sa contact details na makikita nyo. So, once again, this is your dependable broker, Broker Nick. Thank you!